tell me when. Tell me, sweet Vanessa, when will you give me your love? Oh, Vanessa, tell me when. Mix, girl, tell me when. We're gonna fall in love again. Ooh, tell me, sweet Ben Ben, tell me when. We're gonna fall in love again. Ooh, one drop. Remember all the times when we used to have fun. We used to love people like granny. Go up, I am grown. And hiding at the grass, so me pick the plum. Run on the air, say yo, granny, they come tell.
Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
I mean, I said the marker represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch nothing hear that. Them marker say that. Oh no.
Yeah, this is the Usual Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. Alright.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me they are. Whoa. You know the style me there, I'm drunk right now. Chef Young, big up yourself, you know.
Yo, Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
Good night, everyone. How you all doing? All right. As you know, it's Mother's Day. I want to say Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers in the house. Happy Mother's Day to you all. And I know that we are all Jamaicans. We have a lot of Jamaican here, right? Do we have a lot of Jamaican in here? Let me see you put in hand in the ear. Everyone that love the Father, the Creator. Let me see all the people who love God. Everybody, Jamaican, Canadian, Russian, whatever. Please put your hand in the ear right now if you love God. Show it, no man. Show us you don't love God, no man. Yeah, man. Run the track. Not too fast. Thank you. Who na na name, I don't know now. Hey, oh. Who na na name, I don't know now. Ooh, 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 yeah. I woke up this morning and I see the rising sun. I give thanks and praise God for all He has done. He's given me the strength and He kept me alive. With wisdom and His knowledge to survive. And I know, yes I know, everybody must know. Come on, sing it. My God is so real, His presence I feel. My God is real. My God is real. So real, His presence I feel. Oh, yeah. Not a second, not a minute, not an hour go by that I don't give praises unto the Most High, Creator of the sun, moon, earth, seas, and sky, and His powers we cannot deny. And I know, yes I know, we all, come on, sing it. My God is real. I can't hear you. Real His presence I feel. Oh, yeah. My God is real. So real. Let me hear a bass line there. Oh. Ladies, you don't remember me like I remember you. It was not so long ago. You broke my heart in two. Tears on my pillow. Pain in my heart caused by you. I want you to sing it next time. Come on, let me hear it. Come on. If we should start up, I'd gladly to tempt the hand of fate. Tears on my pillow, pain in my heart caused by you. Ooh, that's that. Yeah, man, we just get warm. Let's play a school and we just get warm. Just want to say, enough love to all the man them who know support their mother. Enough respect, you see me? Run the track, next track. Baby girl, say long time I know you. you. I one question more ask now. When? Tell me when. Will. Run back. Baby girl. Say long time I know you. Remember Granny grow you. I one question more ask babes. When? Tell me when. Tell me, sweet Vanessa. When will you give me your love? Oh, Vanessa, tell me when. Mix, girl, tell me when. We're gonna fall in love again. Ooh, tell me, sweet Ben. Tell me when. We're gonna fall in love again. Ooh, one drop. Remember all the times when we used to have fun. We used to love you for la granny. Go up I am grown. And hiding at the grass so me pick the plum. Run on the air say yo, granny they come tell me when. Back up fall in love again. Baseline. And to all the beautiful ladies out there. Love has played this game on me so long. I started to believe I never found anyone. Doubt has tried to convince me to give in, but you can't win. No. But one day the sun it came and shining. I want you to sing it. Come on, let's go. The rain has stopped. And to see someone was saying, can you hear you? In a million chance and life shows compassion and send to me a stroke of luck on you. What do I am in DJ now? What do I am in DJ? What do I say go on thriller yo? You know, Lord, well I'm moving like a nuclear. Big up Bridget in the house, Jamaica Day, funky, big up yourself. Yeah, as you know, we're just getting warm, okay? Warm, let's see me pull the jacket, let's see me pull it. Now get that. Next tune, let's go. Hey. And all who remember Stone Love Anthem, this song is it. My love is warmer than a smile. My love gives to every needing child. If anyone should ask you who's my true love, tell them my love's true. Forever letting all the love come true. Let my love shine. Woo, 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 yeah. To every mountain top and steeper. Can you? Let it be felt by every soul. Yeah, love all over. Hey, ladies, remember them tuna? Let me see how good me I jog on the memory. Why does the sun go on shining? Why does the sea rush to shore? Can I hear it? Come on, everyone. Don't say it's the and you don't love me anymore. Is it true she don't love me no more? True she don't love me no more? Me just say, Cupid, draw back and let your arrow straight to my lover's heart. For me, nobody but me. She packed in the morning, I stared out the window and I struggled for something to say. She left in the rain without. I didn't stand. Not yet, I'm not gonna drag on the memory again. No, tell me how this now. Tell me how this now. Ow, 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 ow. I know the score. Yo! Thank you. I'm glad I enjoy myself. Not sure. Who not enjoy myself, mothers? You know you have some fathers we have mothers too. Yeah, man. So on a disrespect, we have some father we play a mother's role. We want to big one up. Not just a sperm donor. Enough love. I lift my cap. Oh, I never no cap. I lift my hat too. Yeah? Next track. Some big up. Here we go. You look inside my fantasies and made each one come true. Something no one else had ever found a way to do. I kept the memories one by one since you took me in, and I know I'll never love this way again. Come on. I can't hear you. The good is gone. I know I'll never love this way again. Hold on. Oh, baseline. Oh, here I am, playing with those memories again. And just when I thought time has set me free, those thoughts of you keep taunting me, holding you. A feeling I never outgrew. I can't hear, come let's sing it. Though each and every part of me has tried, only you can fill that space inside. Well, it's no sense pretending my heart is not. Oh yeah, and just when I thought I could stand on my own, yeah. Whoa, 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 oh yeah. Remember them Junior? Ladies, look in my eyes. Well, yo. Whoa, 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 oh yes. Whoa, 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 yeah. Look in my eyes, what do you see? There's no doubt the message is clear. So many love, so helplessly. Girl, forever I want you there. Piano style. There's been times that I realize how strongly I feel for you. You're the best thing that I've ever known. Can I hear you? And I'm gonna tell you so you know it. Hey, in every way sing it now, man. I'll prove it. Starting, I'm gonna prove I'll take. What do I am the DJ? What do I am the DJ? Let me see if I can DJ. What do you ready? Give me a mix, give me a mix, give me a mix. All of the girls on fight for you all broke. Hold up you wanna jump up, 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 up. All of them. Well, you know what, me now? I'm gonna cut the show. I'm gonna change up the thing right now. Why you give me that little segment there? Because I'm gonna tell you something to me, yes, no. Good evening again. We know, sir, we have whole heap of people in us who are God-fearing, right? I love you too, baby. I'm born April 1st. April 1st, you're born, footwear. Hear me? We have whole heap of God-fearing people in us, right? So here what? Oh, hear my cry, oh Lord. Attend unto my prayers. From the ends of the earth, where I cry unto thee. Oh, when my heart is, I can't hear you. Lead me to thy rock that is higher than I. That is higher. Let me hear the drum. Martin, to get something now. We have no. Come on, everybody, we have something now. Hey, oh, hear my cry, oh Lord, attend unto my praise. From the ends of the earth, where I cry unto thee. Oh, when my heart is overwhelmed, lead me to thy rock that is higher than. I can't hear. That is by the river of Babylon, where we sat down, and there we wept when we remember by the wicked require for us a song. Now can we sing in our first song in our straight? Oh, let the words of our mouth be acceptable. Lower, watch me, lower, no man, lower. From you never go, I hope your man from your barn sing hallelujah. No hope a man never come at your yard, say hallelujah. Hey, and from you never kiss a monkey yet, say hallelujah. No monkey never ever make you smelly breath, say hallelujah. Oh, cause what a mighty God we serve. Will real rock. Look, I am trying to behave myself around here. Hold it. I am trying to behave myself around here. So this is my final song, okay? Time is against us, and we have to respect the elders, yeah? But this rhythm is called the real rock rhythm. The real rock rhythm. Yes, sir. I have to sing some tune for the real rock rhythm phone. Are you ready for it, my people? Let's go! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ladies, should I even listen? Should I even? Can you? We'll just be hearing the same old lies. Oh yeah, said it doesn't matter what you do to yourself, cause your own relationship is built on one love. You say things way, still you. How do you say that when you don't know the meaning of love? Should have you remember the wickedest time when the rain start fall, the girl them start to ball. Who not send telegram? You know what I'm hey, pull it. Me no want no man look for me and tell me a wine. No man no look for me and tell me a wine. Run the back. Whoa. And the last tune. Here we go. The wickedest time when the rain start fall, the girl them start to ball. Who not send telegram? And them a make phone call, yeah. Say she want me hammer, fit you down a wall. Whether in a summer winter. Say she want the real thriller, yo. I feel come round me dance. She loves me now. Whoa. She loves me now. Yeah, this bad tune. A lot of man not get no poo-poo tonight. Love you! Whoa, now.
Yeah, this is the General Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. All right.
Good.
Kings of Kings promotion. Enough respect. Give thanks for the great show and the turnout and the people really supported Kings of Kings promotion. And I was just honored to be a part of this and this promotion.
Blessed love.
It's an honor. Kings of Kings
Blessed
promotion.
love. Kings of
Charles
Kings.
David, enough respect. Mr.
Kings of
David.
Kings.
Honor. Kings of Kings.
Yes, Kings of Kings. Bless up.
Bless.
Yeah. Messenger.